Welcome to MadeTV.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Melody Marabilia. I am a Philippine from Philippines.
What kind of job are you looking for?
Housemaid nanny.
Housemaid or nanny job? What is you're in Macau right now, so you're on an employment visa?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So when can you start for a new job here in Dubai or here in UAE?
As soon as possible, madam, if
As
my visa is provided going there.
Okay. In which cities and countries are you willing to work here? For example, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Fujairah, where?
Dubai, I prefer to work in Dubai, madam, or Abu
Okay.
Dhabi.
Dubai or Abu Dhabi. Okay, tell me something
Yes,
about your present job. What are you doing right now?
here in Macau.
Yes.
Yes, I am a nanny, madam.
You're
I look
working as a
after.
nanny. hmm
Yes,
And how many children are there in the family?
only one. Since a newborn baby until now, the baby is already 6 months old. 16 months old.
16 months old. Okay, why do you want to leave your
Yeah.
job in Macau? Why do you want to leave?
Because here in Macau, madam, I don't have enough rest.
You don't have enough rest there. Okay, what
Yeah.
are your salary expectations here in UAE?
Oh, minimum
How much?
1,800. 1,800.
1,800. Okay.
Yes.
So, are you single or married?
I married, madam.
You are married. Do you have children?
Yes.
Where are
Yeah,
they
three.
now?
They are in the Philippines with my mother.
In Philippines with your mother. Okay. As a nanny,
Yes.
which activities do you perform with kids?
To play with them,
Mm-hmm.
um, to prepare their foods,
Mm-hmm.
and to uh, watch them overnight because I stay with the baby, madam. I sleep
Okay. If the baby is crying,
with the
what will you
baby and
do? Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down?
um, I find something I will carry the baby and then I find something to make him stop crying.
Okay. If one of the children hurts himself, what are you going to do?
Sorry, madam.
If one of the children hurts himself, what are you going to do?
Hurt himself.
Yeah, for example, they're playing and one of the children accidentally hurts himself. What are you going to do?
First, I will give them a first aid.
And then you will inform your employer.
Yeah, and then I will call my employer if and
Okay. As a housemaid, which task will you perform every day?
uh, in the morning, madam, I should wake up early and then first thing to do is I clean in the kitchen, and the second is in the sala. And then I prepare the breakfast for my employer, and then
Okay.
assess the children if they will going to school.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam. I know, but
Okay.
I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Uh, wh- so you're willing to learn. What kind of food do you know how to
Yes.
cook? What kind of foods? Basic.
Basic
Do you know how to cook?
for
What kind of foods? Filipino foods. Do you
which
know how
food?
to cook
Philippine.
Filipino?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
and Chinese also
Yes, madam.
maybe. What do you,
Chinese. I
yeah.
know already.
What do you prefer doing housework, caring for kids or cooking?
Same. 50% cook. 50% for the houseworks and 50% for the baby.
Okay, how long do you plan staying in this job? For example,
As
two
soon
years, three
as
years? How long?
maybe 2 years
2 years.
or yeah,
More or more. Are you in good
more.
health? Are you in
Yes,
good health?
madam.
Yes. Are you
Yes.
comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance?
Yes,
Okay,
madam.
why
Yes.
should you be hired? What qualities do you have that makes you different from the other applicants?
Um, Because I have a very I
Long
have so many
experience.
experience.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
And what other qualities? Are you hardworking, loyal, patient, and honest?
yes. I am hardworking and then I am honest and then
Okay. What are your hobbies?
sorry,
What
madam.
are your hobbies?
My
Hobbies.
hobbies, madam, is
Okay.
cooking.
Cooking. Okay, thank you
Yeah.
very much for your time. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay,
Bye bye.
madam. Bye.